Hello, Ivo. Thank you for joining us for these 2 days. So day one is over. What were your main takeaways from there?
From day one, I would say the topic, it is the topic which is the most important at the moment in our industry. So, and to have the possibility to talk with people who have the same issues today is really bringing, it's a source of inspiration, I think, for everybody. And of course, with the support of the different consultants of Noventum, that really helps to moderate and have the conversation going in the good direction and come with real things you can use in the daily life.
That's good to hear. And another question for you. What made you decide to come to this event in the first place?
I was looking within Belgium if I can find any service group, but you find a lot of groups, but never really about service. So, and this group is really about customer service. How do you bring that experience you want to give to your customer and after you deliver the project? So this is really the group, the only group I could find really about service.
Awesome. See you at the next one then.
For sure.